We recommend you position the extended telescopic poles, ropes and pegs in roughly the position you will need them. Next, undo the Foxwing bag as normal by unzipping the zipper and folding the bag out of the way. Undo the two clips located in the centre of the Foxwing, unroll the Foxwing, ready for setup. At this point, it's important to have two people. Grab all 4 swing arm poles and walk them out until you're in position to set up the first pole. While you're holding the awning, get your friend to give you a hand by fitting the poles and securing it with the ropes, pegs and finally the Velcro strap. When setting up the second, third and fourth pole, a handy hint is to use one hand to hold the swing arm in place and use the other hand to keep the awning taut. This will avoid the awning flapping around in gusty conditions. Repeat this process for the other 3 poles, ensuring that one person is responsible for securing the ropes and poles, while the other person is responsible for holding the Foxwing steady. Once the first 3 poles are securely fastened, clip the back strap together and tighten prior to setting the last pole. To pack up the Foxwing in windy conditions, firstly unclip the black strap, then remove the rope and pole starting from the rear pole first. Remove the pole from the awning and gently drop it to the ground. Leave the poles and ropes where they lie and move on to the next pole. Repeat the process for all poles. Once you have removed all the ropes and poles, secure the swing arms and roll up the awning, secure the 2 centre clips.